The checkpoint is presented by GM Pharma, the first international multinational pharmaceutical company in Georgia. GM Pharma, to serve those who need it most.
Gelato-producing Georgian company Luca Polare, in a partnership with TBC Bank, is implementing a new enterprise project in Tbilisi. The investment value totals to $1 million. As Ani Tskishvili, the head of PR and marketing department of Luca Polare, declares that the constant expansion of the ice cream chain put the need to expand the enterprise as well. Although, according to her, it will not be a standard production building. We need a large space that would respond to our ambitions, and partners soon appeared. Luca Polare is implementing this project together with TBC Bank. We will build a building on an area of 2,600 square meters near East Point side. It will not be only production. There will be a warehouse, training center for employees, various spaces, showrooms where we will organize various events. We don't want the project to be just for production expansion. It should be a building of the future, which will be as eco-friendly as possible. For this, we are thinking and working on the use of different alternative sources of energy. We think we will move to a new building in 2 years, said Ani Tskishvili. A few months ago, the first eco-friendly roller skater brand Miskuzi appeared on the Georgian market, which was one of the beneficiaries of the state program Enterprise Georgia. Namely, in 2020, the founders of the company won a grant of 30,000 GLR. After bringing the necessary equipment and raw materials from abroad, company Miskuzi started production of skate rollers. The enterprise is located in Tbilisi, Vorontsov Street. The company officially started receiving orders from April 30 this year. On its very day, Miskuzi opened its own store and showroom on the territory of Sport Complex Arena on University Street in Tbilisi, where their products are presented. Currently, the price of the roller skates amounts to 450 GLR. France and America showed interest in our products, although the current production is only for the Georgian market. We have 8 people involved in the activity. Therefore, we plan to equip the enterprise with the necessary equipment, increase the number of products, and prepare for the export market, says Mariam Kemuklidze. As for the price policy of Miskuzi, the materials needed for the production was purchased in large quantities, so the existing collection was not affected by a sharp price increase. However, when the stock of material runs out, the price of the rollers will increase. As the co-founder of the company declares, they will adjust it according to the expenditures. TAV Georgia, the managing company of Tbilisi and Batumi international airports, invested more than 3 million GLR in the new equipment. The investment was spent to buy new equipment for the ramp ground handling, in particular passenger bars, new aircraft passenger stairs, an aircraft de-icing machine, and a high loader designed for cargo aircraft loading and unloading operations, ensuring service for cargo weighing up to 14 tons. Likachi Thermo is another business that offers new products to customers with the support of TBC Bank. The company, which started production of thermal insulation materials in 2017 in Ajara region, decided to add a new line, disposable paper cups. With the support of TBC Bank, the enterprise has produced the first batch of disposable paper cups of different sizes 4 months ago. Likachi Thermo is also going to produce disposable thermal dishes, which will supply the companies working on the takeaway services. In 2017, with the support of TBC Bank, Irakli Chkhubadze bought a building of 1,500 square meters in Khelvachari. Before that, he studied the market and realized that the production of thermal insulation material would be a profitable business, as the product was in great demand in Georgia at that time, while the product was mainly imported from Iran, and Turkey. We decided to start production of thermal insulation materials due to the great demand on the Georgian market, which was mainly imported from abroad. On the advice of friends, I bought an existing enterprise in Helachuri. We doubled the space, updated the equipment, and added personnel who were trained to work with the equipment on the site. We started with 4 people and today we employ 20 persons, says the founder of Likachi Thermo. Publishing houses declare that book prices are up due to the current situation on the international markets. Director of Bakur Sulakauri Publishing House, Tina Mamulashvili, told BMG that the price increase is caused by the growing prices of the raw materials as well as the pandemic and logistic problems caused by the Russia-Ukraine war. According to her, if 1 ton of paper used to cost $800 now it totals to $1,200. Publishers are trying to maintain book prices. However, many problems have accumulated worldwide in terms of production. In Georgia, books are either fully imported or necessary raw materials are coming from abroad. During the COVID period, many difficulties arose. The problem was the price of paper and transportation. The cost of raw materials has doubled. If earlier 1 ton of paper cost $800, now its price totals to $1,200. We try to increase the prices as carefully as possible. Therefore, the price of some books has increased by $1, while some by $2, says the director of Bakur Sulakauri Publishing House. Book price increase is also confirmed by Biblus Group. The managing partner of the company, Irakli Kagnitze, explained to BMG that the price adjustment started from 2021 due to the sharp increase on paper price. Books became more expensive in bookmark books in Vake. Mariam Likachi, the founder of the bookstore, told BMG that many publication houses used to print books in China, but now the process has moved to Europe and this has caused a difference in price. In our stores, the price has changed from 5 to 20%. A lot of books were printed in China. It was relatively cheaper. Now the process has moved to Europe, which has led to a price difference. International publications are also worried about this, says Mariam Kikacheishvili. A new confectionery brand, Kabarini, will start operating on the market. Kabarini will offer its customers sweets made from nuts, marshmallows, and various fruits. The company's enterprise is located in Kvemoponichala and it was launched with the support of TBC program startup. Jakub Komachidze, the representative of Kabarini, said that he plans to expand the enterprise in the future. According to him, the products will initially be sold in the supermarket chain Schapari. I am a lover of sweets and I wanted to offer the market a product that would have the best taste quantities. Initially, we conducted a study to see how much demand was for marshmallow in Georgia. It turned out that it's quite in demand on the Georgian market. Before we got the recipe, we worked for a month and a half. In addition to marshmallow, we contacted farmers in Gori, signed contracts with several farmers, and we buy apples, plums, and quinces from them, says the representative of Kabarini. Zugdidi Mall was opened in partnership with Bank of Georgia in the center of Zugdidi. The total cost of the project was $8.5 million. The bank's investment amounted to $6.1 million, which was fully used for construction and repair works. We are glad that with the financial assistance of Bank of Georgia, we opened Zugdidi Mall in the center of Zugdidi. The shopping mall is located on the area of 50,000 square meters. A one-story building includes international and local brands. The mall has both food and fast food spaces as well as clothing, perfumery, books, appliances, and various stores. The following brands are located in the center: Carrefour, Waikiki, Floss, Super, Biblos, Adidas, Zoomer, Miniso, Alta, and others. Zugdidi Mall is the first shopping center in the Samegrelo-Zemosvaneti region that meets international standards, said Theo Gegiadze, commercial director of Blocks.
The checkpoint is presented by GM Pharma, the first international multinational pharmaceutical company in Georgia. GM Pharma, to serve those who need it most.